everyone. In this video I will demonstrate how to cut Bristol and how to connect Bristol strips together without a glue. You will need to have sheets of Bristol, cutting mat, X-Acto or matte knife, a metal ruler with a cork backing, and white artist tape. The cutting mat will save you plenty of time and measuring and cutting. If you happen to be in the US and use the imperial system, you will notice that each field on this mat is spaced ½ inch apart. Outside of the US, most countries use the metric system, and in that case, your grid will be 1 by 1 centimeter. You can align the piece of paper along the white lines and without measuring, cut perfectly sized and perfectly straight strips of Bristol. So I'm aligning the paper, I'm finding my ½ inch because I'm using the imperial measuring system cutting mat. I will hold the metal ruler down. I want to make sure that the ruler doesn't move when I cut, and then with one straight and confident move, I will cut the paper along the ruler. Here is one strip. Once you have cut several strips of Bristol, you can start experimenting with making connections. For the first technique, I will use my white tape. I like my connections to be very neat and precise. So again, I will use the cutting board and I will cut my tape into 1.5 inch long pieces. So it's 1.5 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then you can take 2 pieces of Bristol, overlap them on top of each other, take 1 piece of tape, and wrap it around. Now I will show you how to use a notch to intersect 2 pieces of Bristol together. So I'm taking 2 pieces, overlapping them, and then I will create a cut that only goes halfway through, halfway of the width. So I created a notch and I can connect 2 pieces together using that technique. The last technique that I want to show you involves creating slits. So again, I'm using 1 strip. I will create a slit that is slightly longer than the width of my strip, so I can easily put the other piece through. And voila, here's another connection. Once you experimented with this, start playing with the shapes. You can create circles of various radiuses. You can take a longer strip and start twisting. Look at your drawing. Look at your drawing that you created in the previous session and decide which of the techniques will work best for your specific design and start building the model.